Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first official day of Vlogmas and I am so excited, you guys. I am trying my best. We'll probably do the 14 days of Christmas, but if you get more videos, those will be just bonus videos. But we are going to share everything that we do in our household, whether it be baking, watching movies, regular day life, basketball practice, sports, whatever the case may be. You guys are going to be here for it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Me and my daughter are going to be baking some cookies today. I have to take my son over to basketball practice today, and you guys are coming along for the whole thing for the first official day of Vlogmas. I did miss yesterday's, which would have officially been my first day, but it's okay. But it's definitely okay. I just had a really busy work week, so it kind of threw me off on my schedule, but it's okay. This is real life. I'm still a full-time mom, you guys. I work as well, so just be patient with me as I get these videos out. We're gonna have so much fun for these this next month. Are you guys super duper excited for all the videos to come? Me and my family love the holidays. We love Christmas, and I am definitely going to be showing everything that we do, so stay tuned. If it's anything that you are excited about and are interested in, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hitting that like button and commenting, you guys. It shows everybody else that my video is worth looking at, and it definitely supports the channel, so please do that. And without further ado, let's get into this Vlogmas day one.
Hit the road.
Oh my lord, I can't get it right. Oh my god, it's not working. I can't get it. Oh my god. Our recipe with the cookie recipe is going to be coming from the Magnolia Joanna Gaines cookbook. Yeah, it's going to be coming from that one. We love her, we love most of her recipes, but we really like her chocolate chip cookie recipe. Although I think we tweak it a little bit, don't it? There's something in there that either we don't use or we use more of. It may be sugar, may or may not. We'll see though, but we are making some chocolate chip cookies and some hot chocolate. Then after that, we're going to head over to my son's basketball practice for a little while, and we'll see what else today's Vlogmas video will come to. Daddy's at work, so
yeah.
Okay. All right, Kaya, you ready?
For what?
Recipe, and I'm sorry, I had showed the wrong book. It's this one. This is, which one is this one? Oh my goodness, which one? This is volume 1. I'm sorry, the first book she came out with. So the chocolate chip cookie recipe is going to be located in that book, so you can pause this video so that you can see. But I'll also, if I can, if they have it like online or something, I'm not sure if they do, but I will try my best to get this linked in the description box. So if not, I would just pause the video so that you can get a better look at, of course, the ingredients and the instructions to make these delicious chocolate chip cookies. All right, I'm gonna need 2.5 cups of flour, 2 cups of packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs. Okay, so Makai, I forgot, we do add sugar to this. That's what we ended up adding because she doesn't add any sugar. She just has brown sugar for hers. So, oh, we got some. I'm gonna use the rest of those chocolate chips and use those if need be. But we use the semi-sweet chocolate chip. I like the little bitty ones. I also like the big ones, but I think I just grabbed the small ones. But anyway, the small ones will be fine for this recipe. But 8 tablespoons, which is 1/6 of unsalted butter, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 heaping teaspoon of baking soda, vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoons, and of course the semi-sweet chocolate chips. I always put more than 1.5 a cup, but that's another thing that I kind of make my own. Maybe get your all right, so position a rack in the center of the oven, preheat to 350. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my oh, I think I put y'all's hamburgers in there. I'm glad I thought about that. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. Got that going. Okay, I'm gonna head and line.
Kyrie, don't lie about your brother. It's gonna be okay.
I'm trying to think. Do I want to use the mixer? No. Just use a bowl on the spoon. Huh? Put that up on the sink in a minute. Whenever you move. Okay. Huh? Come on, girl. All right. You didn't do that's it.
You told me to do 2 things, Mama.
That take how long? Recording.
Okay.
She trying to talk back to me, y'all. I'm trying to tell her to get it together. Okay. I got the oven on. It's warming up to 350. What are you doing?
They gotta follow you.
Girl, I'm trying to follow you, girl. All right. They say, see, they want me to use my stand mixer. We're not going to use my stand mixer today. So in a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. And set it aside. I'll put it in this one. Okay. Will you go get the flour, boo-boo?
Mom.
Yeah, go get the flour.
Look.
I need the flour, baking soda, and salt.
Look. Okay, I'm not even gonna talk to you.
All right. Go ahead and get my 2.5 cups of flour.
No!
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Speed it up just a little bit. Try to get in that cookie dough formed and mix real good. I still got a little bit more dry ingredients to add. Might as well go ahead and pour the rest of that. Make sure it gets all of that goodness from the bottom. Oops. Okay. Okay. All right, now add the chocolate chips and beat on high for about 5 seconds. Told you I add more than the 1.5 cups that asked for it in this recipe because we like chocolate here. So I'm gonna add, you know what, I'm not even sure how many, but I just eyeballed it. It was half of this bag and half, so I guess it was probably, because that is 2 cups in that bag, so that's probably 1 cup, so I probably still add some more. Boo, look in that drawer and get me a better, whatchamacallit. You know what, hold on, just hold that thought. Cookie dough is looking. I'll go ahead and get it. Get my cookie pan and my cookie sheet. You want to help me put them on my thing, babe?
Okay. Huh?
You don't want to? Yeah. I like these that already got like the measurements on it. Use my big boy. Oh, you don't care. Let Makai do it. I ain't snatching, girl.
Say hey, booger.
Not that close, babe. What you doing?
These, hopefully they do.
I hope so. Okay. All right, last batch is cooling here. These cookies turned out so great, you guys. You have to try the recipe. Please comment below if you do try it or have tried it before. Let me know how they taste, you guys. You can always use different type of sweets. You can use M&Ms, anything that you are into. More baking recipes to come. Please, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Let me know that you enjoy this type of content, you guys. Vlogmas 14-day of Vlogmas. I will have a few extra videos that will be coming as well for bonus videos. Please make sure your bell notifications are on so that you will be notified when I do upload every single day, you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Stay tuned for tomorrow.